Our unique farm truck doesn't allow that ever. Gonna roll up there and double bulb Asian or farm truck. If anybody's got $500,000, you could probably buy that Lambo. And if anybody's got $28, you can buy that farm truck. Farm truck uses all 660 feet. Trying to cross the center line, he does get there first. Nothing like wrecking it when you're out in front by about 15 car lengths. Farm truck. Throw it over the center line, got him a real good look at it, and the Lambo was just cruising, which is what I would do if I had a Lambo.